Think you're listening to a machine gun? You're dead wrong. This is the sound of the most terrifying bird on Earth, the Shoebill Stork. A 5-foot-tall living dinosaur that looks like it stepped right out of prehistory. It stands statue still for hours, waiting, and then, boom, it strikes faster than you can blink. But here is the dark truth. When the chicks hatch, the stronger sibling starts killing the weaker one. And the mother, she just watches and only feeds the killer. Nature has no mercy. Would you dare to look it in the eye?